paper 85, and you mentioned that it's below 80, anything is okay. And
So ours is less than 80.
For NEP, it's okay.
is the maximum shut-off.
Let's talk about
BFL. BFL is the one that we require to lower the shut-off from 85 to
Yes.
80. And that's as per the TQ. Supposedly, we haven't received the TQ yet. Accept,
Yes.
but you accepted to have it as 80. Yes?
Okay. Even less than 80, 77.
Perfect.
77? Oh, it's okay.
Yes. Covers. That's good. Done good.
Everything is okay.
So this one, Noman, since it is not part of the scope, this existing, and it is existing. The problem with that is the existing problem. Because you are currently also your pipelines are low rated and this is protected. Protecting till now.
Yes.
So we are not discussing it. That's why we did now. Keep it like that.
Whatever it is,
I was thinking that
sufficient.
I was thinking that some high pressure trip here for somebody you don't have anything.
But they just told you we didn't assessment of the SIL value of the answer. This is our
No,
conclusion.
that's okay. If it will come CT, will be provided.
لا, we won't provide it. That's the point. يعني لو if with the session,
Yes.
we check the SIL rate.
So you find this SIL is not
And
okay.
it's not sufficient, we SIL 3.
Then
Will
I
you
will
do it
go
in
and
your
increase.
project? Will you do it in your project?
Okay.
No, only
لا مش okay.
we have
No.
2 out of 3
مالك.
طب سؤال تاني قول لي انت التيكيو طبعتها كان ردها ايه؟
لسه ما بتعملش ولا
انت 44 بتعصب بربع
TQ, you ask for the rate setting, not the
Yes.
not the SIL rating.
Yes, exactly.
You want to trip it, whether how effectively it is tripping, that is not your area. I think that is your thing.
Session area.
The only thing that should trip, yeah, that's okay.
That's the only function that we want from
How much effective with the tripping, that is something.
excluded from the scope.
from the school.
So Naman, you can continue if you want, IPS or whatever.
That's cool.
Mr. Chairman, for today, which loop is remaining? I have 1 shift loop is remaining for today. Mr. Chairman, you are there?
Yes, I'm here. So what is the question?
I heard that 1 shift loop is remaining for today.
Yes.
For MPS, we have done all 4. And tomorrow I would like to come to your place so that
This green part is newly added. We need to do anything because in HAZOP it was not there. This 2 out of 3.
So what is this is SIF, right?
The section side.
Section side.
This
Is
is
this a
section side, yes. Section.
We need to define because in HAZOP it was not there. After HAZOP recommendation, it is added.
It is the main protection.
And it is the main protection of the pump.
So yes, we can do it. Therefore, MP pump discharge, right?
Section. This
Function.
section.
Okay, and what is the function of this SIF? What is the function?
To trip the pump at 50 bar.
At 50 bar. Then we can, yes, I think better we can do it. We should do it. We should do it. So was this discussed in the HAZOP? No, it was not discussed.
No, in HAZOP it was not there. Pump was tripping at 60 bar because suction can go up to 60 bar. And what it was leading to overpressurization in the pump discharge line. So we added the trip at a lower value so that pump cannot see a suction pressure above 50 bar.
Okay. I think better we can discuss it now. No problem. We can discuss it because this is a good opportunity. We have a good team. So let us discuss it. Okay. So now I do not know if I have this PNID. Can someone please give me the tag number of this PNID? This shift?
1609 30 30 50 08 1609.
Okay, this is PSDS, right? PSDS.
Yeah.
FDA. Yes.
The ID.
This is the PNID.
We can share in the chat.
Inlet manifold or Habshan.
Can you share this PNID? What you have highlighted now? Can you send it to me?
Share.
No, in the teams.
In the Teams, probably I may not be able to.
Oh,
Just
I
let
see.
me.